Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be giving you a tour of my dressing table.
This video is brought to you by our patrons and all those who have purchased from the Inspired by Nikki store. Thank you. I want to welcome you if you are new and hope you will consider subscribing to be inspired daily to make the everyday beautiful.
This is a space that I use every single day. I love to sit down to get myself ready for the day. It just helps me to kind of not stress about getting ready, but I still am able to get ready very quickly because I have everything that I need right at, arm's reach. And it's just a simple way to make your everyday beautiful. So if you don't have a dressing table, look into turning a little table. It doesn't even have to be something that is a dressing table. You could use a little nightstand or just a little accent table as a space where you will put your makeup and you just arrange it beautifully. And so today, hopefully with what I share with you, you will get a little bit of inspiration, or if you do have a dressing table, maybe just see how I organize things and just use those things that I use on a daily basis. I think that, stripping it all back to just the basics really helps. If I have items that maybe I will use one day or, just different things that are not everyday items, I store those in a box and I store them out of the way. Sometimes I put them in my wardrobe because it is near, or I have another cabinet area where I will keep those items as well. And then that way when I need them, I know where they're at, but I don't have it really crowding the area that I use on a day-to-day basis. And then that way it just makes getting ready so much easier. It's faster. I'm not searching for things. So without further ado, let's get into the organization of my dressing table. I really hope that this inspired you in some way. Let me know in the comments below if you have a dressing table and what are the things that you keep on top